What's up, guys? It's Jay. We are back. No, we're not in the shop. We are not in the shop today. I did a thing. Let's check it out. All right, guys. Well, that thing that I did was, I'm sure a few of you knew it was inevitable, is I'm going to be opening a store, a record shop, hi-fi gear, arcade machines, all the fun stuff I build, sell guitars, music equipment. So it's just going to be a lot of fun. We are not open yet, but we're working really hard to get there. So we're going to give you guys a sneak peek behind the scenes of what we got going on so far. All right, let's check out the shop. So that's our space so far. Like I said, a lot going on. We still have a lot of furniture to build, a lot of things to hang up, a lot of inventory to bring over. It's going to be a lot of fun. Can't wait. So we're going to have on this wall, we're going to feature hi-fi gear, speakers, stereo equipment, and eventually down here, we're going to have some shelves for video games, and a friend of mine makes guitar pedals. We're going to feature some of his guitar pedals here, possibly some consignment. I think we're going to do our store t-shirts and sweatshirts here. Here's the old trusty counter with the cash drawer. That's pretty cool. Somebody made this. It's pretty cool. I found it at a garage sale, and it's really cool that someone took the time to make it. And it's cool because when you open it up, cha-ching, pretty neat. And then we got some vintage t-shirts. We're going to have more here, t-shirts and sweatshirts hanging up here. We'll probably have some sort of roundish display here. I'm finding out that displays are pretty hard to find if to get them close by and for, under $1,000, but we're getting there, slowly picking them out. Then over here, we're going to have a seating area with a couple of chairs. We're going to set up a turntable there, so if you want to listen to the record you're buying, you can put some headphones on and listen to what you're buying. Right here is going to go the arcade machine that I built. So people can come in, play some arcade games. And then from about here to here will be a record stand where you can sort through and look for records. And then a big, almost all the way to the ceiling, record display of some nicer, rarer records. And I'm starting, that's what I'm doing at the moment, hanging racks for cassettes. I don't know exactly where we're going to put CDs yet, but we're still, like I said, guys, we're still in the works. And I am exhausted. We've been here every night and on the weekends. But I love the space. I think it's really cool. I'm digging the color. And we've had a lot of great feedback from the town so far. So wish us luck, and we're going to post more videos as the construction in here progresses. And then we're definitely going to have a video when we do our grand opening and let you guys come in and hang out with us for a little bit. And if you're in the Belvedere area, stop by, once we open. We're looking at hopefully a mid-August opening. So feel free to stop in and say hello. We'd love to see you guys. All right, guys. Well, that's the shop so far. It's not done yet, but we're getting there. We're working day and night trying to get her done. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell so you know when we post a new video. And until then, always create. We'll see you soon, guys. All right, guys. Well, that thing I did is I'm sure.